Hey, welcome back, creative family. Today we are shopping at Biglots. I wanted to take you guys along with me to look at some spring decor. Guys, it is definitely warming up in my area. I don't know about how it looks in your area, but the weather is already starting to get warm, and I'm seeing tons of people purchasing um, things to spruce up their home for the spring, patio furniture and everything already. So I decided to bring you guys along with me and take a look at Big Lots Spring Decor and Patio Furniture. If you haven't been in Big Lots to check that out, you are definitely missing out on some amazing deals. They have some amazing spring decor. So here I'm showing you, I just showed you a topiary of a little dog. I thought it was so cute. That pattern is really cute. This is a patio set that comes with like 8 pieces. It also has the table with the same resin chairs here that you can purchase. You can mix and match these pieces. If you see those lanterns there, guys, they had a lot of accent pieces, and I'll actually show you some of those later in the video. But they had multiple different patio sets. They had the cushions, no matter what your style is. If you like things to be simple and sleek, if you like bright and vibrant colors, they had those. Again, there are some trees there to accent your patio space. They had so many option L-shaped sectionals. Um, just different pieces to make your space your own. So no matter, how small your space is or how big your space, little your space is, you can actually add pieces or take away to make it work. So I zoomed in there so you all could see the top of that gazebo. I think they had a total of 3 large gazebos that ran in the price range of about $900 to $1,300, but they were very strong and secure. They're gazebos that are not going to have the tops blowing off when the wind picks up in your yard, and things will stay firm and well placed. This was a nice little swing. I thought that you could put anywhere in the yard. It looks like it will hold 3 people. Here, these were cushions by Broyhill. Guys, these cushions were very thick. Very nice neutral tones. Grays, tans, something that you can always be versatile with. I always recommend going with your base cushions, just like furniture, in neutral colors, and then throwing fun, different color accent pillows. So if the next year comes around and you decide you're tired of that color, then you don't have to purchase everything over. It's much cheaper to just change your accent pieces. So you can spice it up and flip from red to turquoise, purples, blues, whatever you want to do by just changing your pillows and changing maybe some lanterns just to add a pop of color. So that's always a good thing to do, and it's budget friendly. Here they had some tables that kind of remind me of a garden setting. They had the umbrellas that you could pop in these, and then they had the small tables to also hold your drinks, and then they had the bright colored pillows to pull those pieces in. Here's another gazebo. I'm going to zoom in to the top for you guys to let you see the difference in this one. This one has a cloth top. The other one was like a hard resin wood. Those are some chairs. They are rockers and gliders, so they do move, and I'll show you that later. This was some accent pieces that they had placed there. I thought these were really cute. And several of their pieces, guys, really are nice this year. They light up. So can you just imagine at night, if you light these up and you have company over and you're entertaining, it just gives your space such a nice ambience. They had several pieces of greenery, just different topiary trees and succulent plants that you can just place around your area to bring in some spring feeling, but you don't have to worry about them being watered or dying if you are in an area where it gets really hot. Here are some more lanterns that I saw. They had several pieces to this set in different styles, and again, they do light up. I thought this was really cute. So just pieces that you could place on tables. You could place them on an outdoor bar. Several things that either were solar or battery operated lights. Those are some large lanterns that you can hang, sit in the middle of a table if you're serving cocktails or drinks to guests. These are just absolutely amazing and will really bring a nice ambiance and warm feel to any patio or outdoor decor at night. Even sitting on the front porch beside a topiary tree as your guests walk up with a nice welcome mat, these will be absolutely gorgeous. So definitely, guys, if you are looking for some things to do your front patio space, your front porch or your patio space, don't forget to check out Biglots. You can also run some of those lights that just passed in the video around your deck to do some string lights and give it a warm setting if you want to have a party or entertain. These were some more fun pieces, kind of sunflower pieces, kind of farmhouse chic to me. You could put these pieces in gardens, on tables. You could even pull some of this into your kitchen decor. So I wanted to kind of give you guys just some shots of the different types of options for things that they had to decorate your area. Again, there were several different colors from the greens to yellows and blues. These were different planters. They also have several different planters and several different stands that you can use to sit like on the side of a sofa and just add different lanterns and to stage your area, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys these because if you're looking for a piece to hold some decorative pieces or to kind of fill a spot on your patio area and you really don't know what to put there, but you want something that will be functional and cute, those would work. And here are just some trinkets that you could put out in the garden. You could sit those on the table. Just multiple options. The options are definitely endless. So guys, I'm going to go over and show you. They actually had some more outdoor pieces to put in your garden. And then if you did not want to spend a ton of money and invest in an entire patio set, you could just pick up a few things to bring your space to life, like these planters. Like I said, you could put these at the front door. You could add some topiary trees. I showed you all of the different styles that they had. You could also grab some separate pieces if you don't have a big space. I'm going to move over in just a moment. They have some separate chairs that are resin chairs that you could pull into your space. I thought these were really cute. These are stands that you could put plants on. These you could put ice in to actually serve drinks. Sorry guys, I was trying to do this and record with the other hand. But I thought these were cute. You could put drinks in these. You could put plants in them. This bicycle is just actually a piece that I think would be a nice conversation piece. It's really cute and it could be used. As you see, they have it displayed as a planter. And they were constantly adding more things out. I wanted to give you guys another shot of this patio set from a better angle so that you could kind of see how the sofa fits well and how large it is. It looks like it's about a 12 by 12 or 14 by 14. I apologize, I didn't check that out. This is one of the things that I was saying you could use for a small space. This is the rockers, and they actually are gliders. They move, guys, and they actually glide back and forth just like rockers and swivel around. So I thought that was really neat. And then I'm going to show you guys this is the rest of that set. So you see how many options you have with this set. You can pull the pieces that you actually need. And if your space is small, that works perfect. Here are some of the individualized chairs that you could just purchase if you have a very small space or you want to personalize. They had rugs as well. This was a cute little garden set that I thought was absolutely adorable. You could have a cup of tea, a cup of lemonade, and just enjoy your garden if you have a garden, and have somewhere to sit and be very comfortable. So guys, definitely if you are looking for anything for outside, please don't forget to check out Biglots. They have some amazing pieces. Let me show you how this velcros. I hope I've been saying Biglots and not Hobby Lobby because this is Biglots, guys. But let me show you. Those are some of the umbrellas. I want to show you how the velcro on the gazebos work, just to show you a sense of how secure these are with the drapes to block out the sun. So this goes around the pole. You simply unvelcro it. And when you want to put it back on, it seals and it stays very tight. So you can remove this in the winter, but if the wind is blowing during the summer, if you have some windy nights, you don't have to worry about it um, blowing away. So I think Broyhill did a very good job with that. I am not a sponsor of Broyhill. I just happen to love their outdoor products for patio decor. So definitely, guys, I'm not a sponsor, so please don't feel like I am, getting any benefits from this video. I just like to bring you out, guys, good content and show you some things that work and are budget friendly and that you can have for your family for a very long time. Um, these are just other things that I wanted to show you guys. They had all different type themes, pieces that you could pull into your home to decorate. They had anything from a coastal theme to a farmhouse theme. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I hope it has been helpful, guys. We are finally coming down out of the pandemic. It is not over yet, but I wish you guys a year of wellness and happiness and fun with your family. So take the time to spruce up your space and just make it yours so that you and your family can enjoy life, because we have definitely gone through some very trying times. And I know if you are like me, I'm so excited to be able to enjoy my family this summer and this spring. So guys, as always, thank you for being a part of Team Creative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and join the creative family. Thank you.